In this video, we are going to show you the advanced functionalities provided by SuiteCRM Mailchimp Integration Premium plugin. In the admin panel, go to the module loader. Here, you will see the SuiteCRM Mailchimp Premium is installed in the CRM system. Now, open the license module and you will see the license key is verified and the plugin is active. Again, go back to the admin panel and click on the Mailchimp configuration option this time. Here, you will find two different settings. Each of them is linked with different Mailchimp accounts and assigned to different users. Also, these are configured for separate SuiteCRM modules. Here are the Mailchimp accounts which belong to two different users. Go back to the Mailchimp config option and open one setting. At the top, you'll see the webhook URL of this account. Below, you'll see other options like API key, unique ID, selected module, etc. Now, open the Mailchimp account and go to Profile, then select the API keys option. From here, you can copy API key and paste it into SuiteCRM. After that, go to the Audience section in Mailchimp and select the Settings options. In the next window, you need to copy the unique ID and paste it into SuiteCRM. On the same Mailchimp page, click on the Webhooks option. In the Configured Webhook field, you need to paste the webhook URL that is visible at the top SuiteCRM account configuration page. Right now, as you can see, the leads, as well as the contacts module, have no records. The audience list in both Mailchimp accounts is also empty. Now, we'll create a record in the leads module through the admin user profile. In the list view, you can see the details. Go to the audience section in Mailchimp and refresh the page. The record we created in SuiteCRM is instantly showing here. Now, we'll add a subscriber from Mailchimp. Enter all necessary information and click on Subscribe. Open the Leads module in SuiteCRM and refresh the page. You'll see the customer we added in Mailchimp is synced in SuiteCRM successfully. Now, we'll add a subscriber to the other Mailchimp account. Fill out all the necessary information and click on the Subscribe button. Next, open the Contacts module in the SuiteCRM and refresh the page. The record we created in Mailchimp is synced here as well. After that, we'll switch to the regular user in SuiteCRM and refresh the Contacts module. From here, we'll create a new record. Provide all essential information and click on the Save button. In the list view, you can have an overview. Again, go to the Audience section of Mailchimp and refresh the page. Scroll down and you will find the record is synced successfully. Now, we'll show you how to sync custom fields from Mailchimp to SuiteCRM. For this purpose, you will be required to use the Mailchimp Field Mapper option in SuiteCRM. First, open Mailchimp and then create a custom field in Sign Up Forms. Click on the form builder and then give the appropriate name to the field label and field tag. Click on the Save Field button. After that, click on the All Contacts option from the left panel. Next, click on the subscriber at the top. You'll be able to see the custom field that we created. Now open the SuiteCRM and click on the Create option on the Mailchimp Field Mapper page. Enter an appropriate name and choose the targeted module. Scroll down and in the Mailchimp module field sub-panel, click on the Create button. Give a suitable name. In the subscriber fields, select a field that you want to replace with a custom Mailchimp field. In the Mailchimp field, choose the recently created custom field. At last, click on the Save button. After that, go to Mailchimp and fill in some details to the custom fields that we recently created and click on the Save button. Next, open the Leads module in the SuiteCRM. As you can see, the custom field that we created in Mailchimp is synced in real time. If we go to the edit view and modify the custom field details from the SuiteCRM, then changes will appear in the Mailchimp as well. Thanks for watching this video.